How you can claim 20 USDT coupon in Bybit. So if you have just registered your account and opened a new account on Bybit, it gives you 20 USD coupon to start your trading. So let's see how you can claim it. First of all, you have to download Bybit from your Play Store and log into your account. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. And under this exchange section on this home page, you can see there are a lot of icons right here, and here you can see the rewards hub. You can just tap on it, and right here it says claim 20 USDT coupon, so you can just claim it and again tap on claim. So as you can see, your reward claim is successful. Now you can use this coupon to start your trading like so. So you can use this coupon to start your trading, and that's how you can claim 20 USDT coupon in Bybit if you have a new account. Thank you for watching.